Hello students. So today the question that we have with us says that breathing rate increases during fast physical activities and we need to give the reason for that. Now here particularly we are talking about why when we do the activities which are like fast physical activities, as I can say, why it will lead to the breathing increase in the breathing rate. So what I can say here is whenever we exercise, our muscles work very hard and utilize more oxygen and produce more carbon dioxide. So in order to make sure that your body needs and meet the demand, you need to have more oxygen. And again, if you need to have more oxygen, you have to increase your breathing rate so that the demand that your body is required to this point, you are able to meet them. Okay. And as I said, your breathing rate increases to match the demand for oxygen, because again, as I said, the more you move or the faster you move or the more physical activity you will do, that will lead to what you can say is utilization of lot of body parts, lot of body muscles, and they tend to be in a resting state. But since you are doing something which is a fast physical activity, and that is why it leads to more demand of oxygen. So when you are resting, you breathe about 15 times per minute, but when you are doing exercise or any fast physical activity, it can go up to 40 to 60 times per minute. Remember, we are not talking about the heartbeat rate. Okay, we are talking about the breathing rate, like how many times you basically inhale and exhale, not just how many times we our heartbeat. Okay, we tend to get confused sometimes with this data, so that is why I have a clear idea for this. Like in resting state, we breathe for about 15 times per minute, whereas in exercise state, we can say it can go up to the depend upon the activity, so it can go up to 40 to 60 per minute. Now the next point is when you are breathing in more oxygen, the body uses more cellular respiration to produce more energy. Okay, that is the whole point of utilizing more oxygen, so that you provide more energy to the muscles. Usually it is not recommended to try to breathe faster when you are at rest, because if you do that, your body needs to, like, if you force your body at the end, you might feel lightheadedness or the loss of consciousness as well, because you are giving the what you can say signal to the body in which what you can say your actual environment are not responding to the same, or your body or your what you can say sensory organs are not actually feeling the same, but still you are forcing your body to breathe faster. So that is why you feel such symptoms. But usually when your environment and your signaling and your what you can say sensory organs are feeling such fast physical activities, your body itself will adapt it to such do such thing as we have discussed here. I hope this will help you. Thank you.